Alright guys, welcome back to another one. We're going to get going and we're going to start this day off right. Alright, let's go. What's up guys?
Hey, what's up, buddy?
What's up?
I know. Here, I'll hold him. You go get your content. I'll walk him.
Yeah?
Yeah, I will. Go.
He's gonna chew on you.
He'll smell Milo. He'll smell.
Alright guys, welcome back to another one. We're out here at WR Technica. They're doing their annual open house for the beginning of the year. Also a celebration of their, I think, 1 year in the new facility. So we're gonna run around. As you can see, they're already parked deep on the side. Inside's always crazy because they always have a bunch of good race cars and everything else. So I'll show you guys all that and we're gonna have some fun. All right, you guys let me know what you think. Drop those comments below. If you're new to my channel, oh man, old school GT like 350 Mustang and an R32. We're gonna go over there first. But if you guys are new to my channel, thanks for viewing. Check out my other stuff. If you enjoy it, hit that subscribe, hit that notification. If you guys have been with me a while, you know how I do. We're gonna run through here at this one and you guys let me know. All right, thanks.
Oh no! Look at the camera.
What's up?
Oh, sorry.
Just in time for the reveal.
I know. Yeah. Should have parked over there. Yeah.
All right, guys. So the DJ's killing it today. So you know what that means. I'm gonna have to overlay some music and give you guys that give you guys the extra. Give you guys that music. So you know how that goes. But the DJ is killing it, so I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you think, and I'm gonna keep running through for you. All right, thanks. imagine how we do. We're gonna do for the second one for today, you know, because can't help ourselves. We're here at WR Technica doing our thing, and we're gonna get at it. right, guys, so that was WR Technica. It was their open house, and I guess their 1 year kind of celebration for being in their new new location. Their shop space is insane. Not only do they work with some of the like coolest builds, projects, it's mostly race cars, but high-end race cars. So it's, you know, the Porsches, the Ferraris, the Lamborghini. It's all the like next level guys that are like hardcore track people. So they work on a lot of those cars. They had some other special ones there, like the Pagani. You know, that's just crazy. It's something you don't see that often. And then a bunch of cars that were outside that had rolled up. So I really enjoyed myself. I always do when I go out there. There's always really good cars. So you guys let me know what you think. Drop some comments below. Let's talk about it. What car did you like? Was it the Pagani, or, you know, one of the dozen Porsches? Some of the cars that were up on the rack. All sorts of good stuff there. So you guys let me know what you think. Again, if it's your first time on my channel, thanks for hanging out to the end. If you like what I do, check out some of my other videos. If you like them, hit that subscribe, hit that notification. I'm doing this non-stop. My goal is to drop every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Even while I'm in Japan next week, I'm still gonna try and drop for you guys. So, and Japan's gonna be crazy too. But let me know what you guys think. Hit that subscribe, hit that notification, and we'll keep doing it. If you guys have been with me a while, thank you for your support, and we're gonna keep doing this together. All right, I'll see you guys at the next one. All right, see you. Thanks.